So this is about 2 hours in. I'm gonna cut through the carport here. Look, guys. It's consistently that deep on the ground and on our vehicles. And look at the back. Isn't she beautiful? Seeing this wood stacked up with this snow on it, y'all, is like a blast from the past for me. My grandmother and my grandfather, they had a wood burning stove, and so there was always wood outside the house. But it's just getting deeper, and it's been steady since about 7 o'clock this morning, 7:30. So we're about 4 hours in, actually, I think, or getting close. Well, stay with you, bitches.